Here's our breakfast. And coffee. Good morning! Good morning, mga unta. Let's eat, guys. When you watch my vlog, you should be ready. It's all about eating. Grocery. Dapat napagkain din kayo. Kumakain din kayo. It's the perfect breakfast, girl. How much is per plate? $20 lang? Good. Anong pangalan ng restaurant? Ha? Saan na kayo mga notebook covers ka rin, no? Mayroon pa ba tayong mga books na cover is yung mga artista? Wala na siguro, no? La Julina, Marvin. Gaso na yun. It's so good. Yum. See you later. It's Ligo day today.
Taking a ride to Jonathan Lake 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거야 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 여유 있으면 더 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 yeah. 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음해 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 풍선을 타고 난 날아
Ay, nako. Nagzumba-zumba lang ako ba? Para, ano lang ba? Hindi masyadong stressful. Ayun, napunta tayo sa Pilates. Ang hirap pala ng Pilates, no? But yeah, that was the beginner one. Beginner pa yun. Sobrang nahirapan na ako. Hindi din kasi tayo flexible. That's it, guys. Rest muna tayo and let us shower after, guys. Ay, nako. Good afternoon, guys. We are very fresh. This has been my favorite, guys. And I know maraming nag-purchase din yan sa YesStyle. It's the COSRX Snail Advanced Nail Radiance. So far talaga, gustong-gusto ko siya. Aray, parang na. The glow that you get after you apply the product, I love it. So, yan. I've seen sa aking account na maraming nag-purchase nito. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-purchase, go check them out sa YesStyle. We'll also put the link sa description box. So if you want to check them out, go ahead. Kasi maganda siya. Ganda talaga siya. You can use my code. Lagay ko dito yung code natin. For 10% discount. So, go na. Check out nyo na yun. Ayan. Unboxing. We have 2 packages, guys, na I received 2 weeks ago pa. Today is the day. These items are from Cozy Island. So we have 2 boxes here. As you can see, lagi talagang nagsho-show up sa aking feed itong Cozy Island for some reason. I'm so happy that we received some items from them. Sabi nila very comfortable daw talaga kasi to siya. So let's see. Tagal na nito dito. 2 weeks na to. I didn't get the chance to review it last week kasi nga na-busy tayo sa work. So, finally ngayon, buti na lang. 2 days off tayo. Yes, yes, yes! So, let's start with this one, guys. This is their packaging. And, tanan! This is how it looks like. Meron pa siyang parang dust bag. Hello, ito gusto ko to. Of all the items na napili ko, ito talaga very eye-catching para sa akin, ha. Yung inopen ko yung website nila. Ah! So this is the first one, guys. Look at that, ang cute. Ang cute-cute niya. Tapos, yun nga, Cuban heel siya, pero hindi siya masyadong mahaba na takong. So, yan yung gusto natin for comfort. Oh my God! Napaka-sexy niyang tingnan. I really like the design. And then, marami pang colors na available nito, guys. So, the name of this item is Soft Wave Cutout Block-Heeled Mules. And as you can see, guys, premium yung knit niya. When you see it sa picture, parang wala siyang glitter. But, personally, meron pala. Pero it's not overwhelming at all. Pwede niyo talaga siyang magamit lang for like casual look. Ang nakakaganda nito, because of the design, you can use it for casual and also for formal wear. Very comfortable din dito because as you can see, medyo foamy siya dito. Ay! Wow! And the heel is 1.5 inch lang. Let's go to the next one. Oh my God, first pa lang ha. Gustong-gusto ko na talaga yun. The next one is this. Oh, this is the boots. Meron na tayong pinili na boots. This is gonna be very good sa ating upcoming trip. Ooh, I like the color. Yan. And you know what? The pointed heel, very good yan, especially if you're not that tall kasi nakakatangkad. Yan guys, that's one of the tricks to make yourself look taller. So the name of these boots is Chelsea Boots na Commute Zipper Pointed Toe. Ayan. I-try na natin. I like it kasi zipper. Kasi if hindi zipper, struggle siya isuot. So, let's see. I like it kasi napaka-slim tingnan. Parang ang sexy tingnan. Next is this box naman. Ay, shucks. We have 2 more pairs. Let's open this first. Hello, what is this? Wow. Guys, lumalaban talaga si Chichi. This is our next pair. Again, premium knit na naman siya. Ayan. And very cute yung ating mga bow dito na dalawa. Hopefully, it fits me well. And again, look at the foam. Okay. You know, you'll never know. Mag-a-attend tayo ng mga event dyan. May mga sandals na tayo. So, this is the Bow Tension Pointed Toe Heeled Mules. Yan, ganda. And the last one. The last one is this. Kailangan nyo akong i-invite guys sa inyong mga events. Kasi marami na akong sandals na pagpipilian. Oh, ayan. This is their Gracelet Pointed Toe. So, ang nakakaganda pa dito guys, meron siyang upgraded arch support. As you can see, different siya dun sa iba natin na napakita sa inyo. Like, look at the inside. Ganyan siya. So, let's see the difference. Pero, yung heel niya, if it's 2.76 inches, sana comfortable talaga siya because we're not used to this heel height. So, let's try them on. Ay, may buckle pa pala siya. Change it to a dress para mabigyan natin ng justice yung mga sandals na binigay sa atin. So this is the first one. Very comfortable lang talaga guys. This is just 1.57 inch. Cuban heel pa siya or block heel. So ganyan. Wow, babae naman natin. And this is the next one. Nakaka-sexy ng paa itong mga design na ito. And again, premium knit din ito. So, nag-e-expand siya. So, hindi talaga siya very constricting sa inyong mga paa. This is the leopard one. I really like the boots too kasi pointed siya. And again, this is stretchy. So, nakakahinga pa rin yung ating paa. Ayan. Diba? It looks so elegant. I like it. Okay. Don't mind the mess. So, guys, if you wanna check them out, kasi napakaganda talaga ng mga sinend nila sa akin, I will leave the link sa description box. You can also use my code to get 10% discount. It's YTRich10. So, ayan. Again, all the information i-leave ko sa description box. Nice! So, I have packed the two sandals here, guys. Yung medyo mahahaba natin na heels. Kasi isasend ko to kay ate. I don't think I'll be able to use this one until mag-settle tayo. Kasi, very rare lang na meron tayong mga events, mga formal wear. And in casual wear naman, hindi naman talaga ako nag-heels masyado. But I'm gonna keep this one. Because Cuban heel lang naman siya and it's just 1.57 inch. So, baka pwede natin siyang masingit sa ating mga outfitan, no? Pero you know me, hindi naman talaga ako ma-heels na tao. Pero that one is really, really nice. I wish meron tayong mga events pretty soon na magagamit natin siya. Kasi sayang, gusto ko sila. And then the boots, it's very good. Actually, very timely itong boots na to, guys. Because I'm gonna have a trip very, very soon. I'm gonna use this one. And yung white shoes ko na nakay ate, yung white boots ko pala na nakay ate, papasan ko din dito kasi I'm gonna use that one because we are going to a cold country. Sabihan ko na lang kayo once ma-confirm na natin. Wala pa kasi kaming booking, so ayoko naman magsabi agad-agad. But that's currently the plan. Look at the mess. Kailangan nating Guys, I'm gonna cook some rice. After nito, magluluto ako ng very famous, that is, favorite ko, tuna with egg. isang tuna, the hot and spicy one, and we're gonna put 2 eggs. Na-miss ko to talaga, guys. You have no idea. Sa mga very simple cooking lang yung nalalaman dyan, you can relate. Na-miss ko talaga yan. Let me just... Nag-juice tayo kanina, but hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. For everyone who's very concerned na nag-juice kami, guys, my God, we're doing this in moderation. It's not that we're doing it every day. And you know, it's so much better. Mas marami kang nutrients na makukuha from fruits rather than drinking soda. So, that's what we're doing. So, chill lang kayo dyan. Instead of me paying like $10 every time I buy the Boost drink, I'd rather make my own. So, that's actually what I'm doing right now. So, you know, and I put like ginger, celery sa drink ko. So, I don't know why everyone is so concerned. But thank you for your concern. Kung alam nyo lang, like ilang gallons of water we consume every week. We're more on water actually. But then we bumili kami ng Coke. Ay, bakit kami bumili ng Coke? Pag may 50% discount talaga, dyan talaga tayo. Nasa scam talaga tayo dyan. So, we have a Coke actually na madami sa fridge. Oh no. This one.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
You know what, guys? Malapit nang matapos yung contract natin dito. Sad! Nakakalungkot kasi meron na tayong mga friendship dito. Sayang. But that's life. We have to move on. Malapit na. I feel like 2 weeks ago, sinasabi ko, ang tagal na matapos ng contract na to. But now that we're really getting close, sabi ko, bakit ang bilis? Bilis-bilis na panahon. Na-realize ko talaga na it's all about the company. Because I feel like, mas okay yung social life namin dito eh. And then, like, Canberra itself, I love it. I love Canberra. So, parang sad ako dahil doon. Pero yun nga, we have to move on. Wala lang, na-share ko lang. Sayang kasi I feel like the permanent staff here na Filipinos, they're like warming up. So, sayang lang na wala na kami dito. By the time na warm na talaga sila. Guys, let's call the fambam. Medyo matagal ko nang hindi sila nakausap. Sana hindi sila busy today. Nag-book na mo?
Wala pa.
Hi!
How are you daw? Naka-airpods ko?
Naka-airpods ka. Kaala?
Ano ay may airpods?
What are you gonna give to Alo? Bono?
I'm gonna give him a bubble car.
A bubble car? I thought you were gonna give him a swing.
A bubble car.
A bubble car? Nawa ng duha.